Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's My Lead Gen Secret review video, I'd like to share with you some more affiliate commissions that have come in, totaling now $482. But more importantly, in this video, what I want to show you is how you can get 100 to 200 tier one leads for free every single day. And these leads include buyers. I'm going to show you some proof of those leads a bit later on. And I'm also going to give you all the free tools and resources that you need to get your leads for free. Not only get your traffic for free, but you can also add an additional monthly income stream with these, with My Lead Gen Secret, with the affiliate program. So if you don't want to be an affiliate, then you can just join and get your 100 to 200 leads for free every day. But I do recommend that you do start to get your traffic for free. So I'll just show you some proof here. So I'm live here in my Lead Gen Secret back office, and the affiliate program. When you first join My Lead Gen Secret, there'll be a link in the description where you can get some more information, or if you want to join. And when you first join, you get 100 leads every single day. But what I recommend you do is you join the affiliate program. And what you can do is you can promote My Lead Gen Secret um, as an offer to the leads that you get every single day. And then what you do is you start to earn these commissions here. So this column here is commissions earned, and RC is the recurring commission. So the affiliate program pays down on 5 different levels. So you see one is at $4, one at 5. Further down here, one's at, excuse me, one's at $3, and then this starts to add up as you get more referrals. And you scroll all the way down here. So the key thing is not just to get your leads, but also to start to get your traffic for free. And then you can also build on that and earn an additional income stream. And as an affiliate, you get all the promo tools. So you go into promo tools here, and they give you all they give you the sales page, they give you the sizzle page, information page here. Your affiliate ID is just already put into there. You just copy and paste the link and promote it. You'll see here the compensation plan, how it comes down 5 levels. So it's a great compensation plan. They've got a bonus here, $100 bonus if you want to get really aggressive and promote. If you get 5 referrals within 7 days. So all the tools are here. And if you want to just put that straight into your autoresponder, which is built into this system, you just click that link there and it imports it straight in. So it's a really beginner friendly, done for you system. You don't have to create any email copy. You don't have to create any subject lines. Everything's completely done for you as an affiliate. So let me just show you now the leads themselves. So if I go into, well, first of all, I'll show you mailing system and how your leads can build up. So if I go on to select all of these leads are your own. So if you want to download them, then what you can do is you can download them, and you can email more than once a day. But with this system, you can email every 24 hours. So you'll see later on today, I'm going to be able to email 166,000 prospects, leads. And this is where done for you autoresponder built in. I just got to wait 7 hours down here, then I can send my next mail in. I tend to do mine late at night. I live in the UK. And then very, very beginner friendly, very, very easy to use. I'll just give you an example here. All you do there is click load, and then you can, it will load up your previous email. It stores up to about 20 emails for you. So you just click load, and then you'll down here, you'll get send and preview. really beginner friendly, really easy to use. That one I'm doing there is I'm promoting my YouTube channel on that one. So I'll just show you here the quality of the leads. They also include buyers as well, 100% tier 1 leads including buyers. So if I just show you here, country, they're predominantly 95% I would say USA leads, but you do get some Australia, Canada, UK and New Zealand. So they're all tier 1 leads. They all include buyers. We've got lots of proof in the Facebook group. I'm going to show you the Facebook group shortly and what we're going to give you there. So you'll see here, real people in the make money online niche. So they're predominantly in the make money online niche, if that's what you're promoting. They're all interested. They've all shown an interest to make money online, and really, really simple and really, really easy to use. And there's tutorials in the back of here, a quick start video. If you need some help, I'll help you as well. You start out with 100 leads, and then when you get one referral, one paid referral, then you get 200 leads every single day. So you're getting 6,000 leads every single month to promote your offer to, as well as if you want to promote your the affiliate program as well. Let me show you the My Lead Gen Secret group we've created for you. So everything's here to help and support and train you. Not just promote the affiliate program, but within this group, all the members are sharing their results of what other offers they're promoting to earn income with the offers they're promoting to these leads. Currently 5,500 members, some very experienced affiliate marketers in here. I'll just scroll down here and just show you. Let's go on to discussion here. I think it's discussion we're going to go on to. Let's say here, this one here. So this girl here, Alison, she's had 4 My Lead Gen Secret signups in the last 9 days. So she's nearly getting all her traffic paid for, just sending out a simple email copy here. They're even sharing with you, the members, what they're emailing out. So very, very helpful group. And you'll see here, which squeeze page do you use, first or second one? She's replying there. I got 2 in the last, so the main product page. So really helpful, interactive group, people helping people, not just become successful with the affiliate program, but also become successful with other offers they are promoting to the leads that they get on a daily basis. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about My Lead Gen Secret, then please put those in the comments below. I've been a member now for quite some time. You'll see there I've got over 160,000 leads and getting 6,000 new ones every single month. So I understand exactly how the system works, how the affiliate program works, and what offers you can promote to make money with this program as well. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description will give you more information, and then if we'd love to help you succeed, come and join our team, come and join our Facebook group, and we'd love to help you not just get traffic, great traffic every single day. We'd also like to help you become successful and get your traffic for free and earn that additional income stream with My Lead Gen Secret. So thanks very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video, and bye for now.